And Allison, my friend Kevin made you guys something.
What?
Okay, so Juliet, I want you to read it first. What does it say? Oh, I said read it first. What does it say?
Remember to always have fun, laugh often, and love much. Don't ever be afraid to be yourself.
Okay, so what is it?
Oh,
He made that, Juliet.
2017.
He made that.
You made it?
Yes. Isn't that
I
nice?
want to hang it up.
Of course we're going to hang it up. Okay, Allison, it's your turn.
Wait, that was 2017.
Yes. That was at the end of the
You did
year.
so good.
Didn't
Yes,
he?
thank
Okay, wait. I want you to read it first. Okay. What does it say, Allison?
you. Never shy from telling to discover new things. Enjoy new discoveries. Always have fun.
you.
Do you understand why he wrote that? Because you're always discovering something new.
And I always remember to always have fun, laugh often, and love much. Don't ever be afraid.
You like that, Al? He made that with wood. He made the whole thing. He chose the picture.
Wait, is he also the one that made the crib?
Yes.
He made it? I thought
Well,
he bought it.
he didn't make it. He found it. He and his wife Jeannie found it and sent it to us.
Where
Isn't
is
that
it
nice?
now?
It's in your playroom. Duh.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you put him up? What do you say?
Thank you so much.
Thank
I love
you.
it.
Yeah.
Have these in my